Global infrastructure demands technology that delivers performance, reliability, and efficiency. In Zimbabwe, a major milestone in road infrastructure development has been achieved with the successful installation of the Alltech Asphalt Batch Mix Plant. For this important project, the Ministry of Transport and Infrastructure Development of Zimbabwe partnered with Alltech India Limited, a globally trusted manufacturer of advanced asphalt technology.
Produces between 90 to 120 tons per hour of asphalt. That is then used for road patching.
With a production capacity of 120 TPH, the plant ensures a continuous supply of high-quality asphalt for modern road construction. Powered by advanced automation and precision batch controls, it guarantees consistent mix quality, improved fuel efficiency, and dependable plant performance. Designed with robust engineering and built for reliable operation in demanding site conditions, the plant supports the development of key transportation corridors, strengthening connectivity, trade, and economic growth across the region.
This is a momentous occasion. You may be aware that this part of the road forms part of the north-south corridor. It links us to the port cities of Durban. Most of our imports and exports, they actually pass through this road.
Today, Alltech Asphalt Plants are trusted by infrastructure developers across Asia, Africa, and beyond for their robust construction, reliable performance, and consistent production quality.